Here are the steps of how to download and install a new NGC Trac app. You will receive a text SMS with your credentials and the link to download the app. This can be for either Android or Apple phone, depends what phone you're using. Once you will click on a relevant link, it will then bring you to either Google Play or Apple Store to download the app. Once you would click download, the app will automatically start downloading, and once that's done, it will then appear on your home screen. Then you would need to type in your login details that has been sent via an SMS, and you would be able to access the app. Once you have successfully downloaded the app, the first module you will see is a dashboard. That's where you can see all of the important messages and recent messages. This will be a one-way communicating tool between the office and yourselves. And that's where you will be able to find all of the important announcements from NGC. The next module would be availability calendar. That's where you would be able to submit your available and not available days. Please note that bulk select is still not available on the app, so you would need to submit each day at a time. Let's say we are available on the 25th and we are not available on the 26th. As you can see, the app captures it very easily. It's very easy to submit. The next module would be a message center. That's where you will be able to find all of the messages that has been sent to you by NGC. The next module would be user profile. That's where you will be able to access all of your contact details, your NGC ID, your vehicle registration number, status of your compliance. You will be able to see your site information, such as your site, train services, and the areas that you prefer to work. Down below, you will see the list of all of the documents that you have to submit to NGC. You can see their expiry date and their status. Please make sure that you review your documents regularly so you can be ahead of the expiry date. The next module would be job request. That's where you will be able to find all of the job requests that has been sent to you by a manager, and that's where you will be able to review it to either accept it or reject it. Once you have accepted the job requests, they will then move on to the next module, which is called upcoming jobs. And here you can see how many jobs you have planned for this or following week. On the actual day of that job that you have and you have accepted, it will then move on to today's jobs. Here you will be able to view the rate card. You will be able to see the information, how much you're going to get paid for this service. And here you will be able to proceed with your route and QR code.
Whenever there is a job allocated to you on the day, a message will pop up on your screen asking you to confirm today's job. All you need to do is go on your app to the job requests, where you can review the rate card for that service. The information you will get is how much you would be paid for providing us with your service. You can either accept or reject the job request. To accept it, simply press on tick, and this will cause that the job will move to upcoming jobs, waiting for either CSE or CSM to accept the service. Once the service is confirmed, you would need to start your route. Please go to today's jobs, press a header, confirm your vehicle registration number. As you can see, it pops up on the screen that this vehicle needs a vehicle audit to be proceeded prior to generating QR code. Press OK and wait for your CSM and or CSC to proceed with your vehicle audit. Once your GPS verification is confirmed, you are ready to generate a QR code to be scanned. Once the QR code has been scanned, you are ready to start your route now. At any point of your route, you are able to add a break. You can choose a reason for your break and set a time. Whenever you decide to finish your break, you can do it simply by pressing End Break. It can be before the set time. Now you're back on your route. At the end of the day, when your route is finished, please remember to end your route on the app as well. Now that's your route completed. Once your route is ended, the job moves to Completed Job module. You can see it as an SOA on your screen. Now it waits for your CSC or CSM to add extra charges or extra payments on it, like mileage for example. Once this is completed, the app will prompt you to review and either accept or reject your SOA. Here you can see how much you would be paid for that service and how much you would be paid for a mileage. If you're happy with it, you simply press approve. If you're not, you can reject it, but you would have to state a reason of your rejection. Once you approve your SOA, it moves to Finance Department where it can be processed. Please check your phone regularly for any notifications from the app. The app will prompt you about setting your availability, about approving or rejecting job requests, and approving or rejecting your daily SOAs. Thank you.